When it comes to premium wireless earbuds, Apple's AirPods Pro line has set the benchmark for audio quality, noise cancellation, seamless integration, and user-friendly design. Since the launch of the AirPods Pro 2 in September 2022, fans have been eagerly awaiting news about the next big upgrade, the AirPods Pro 3. Over the past few months, a wave of leaks, analyst predictions, and insider reports have begun to paint a picture of what we can expect. From release date whispers to new features that could change the way we experience sound, the hype is already building. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll go through the top 5 biggest leaks surrounding the AirPods Pro 3, along with Apple's expected release strategy, pricing decisions, and how these new earbuds might reshape the premium wireless market. So whether you're an audio enthusiast, a long-time Apple user, or just someone looking for the next big thing in personal audio tech, this guide will give you everything you need to know, and maybe a few surprises. One of the most persistent rumors is that the AirPods Pro 3 will introduce a completely redesigned form factor. While the AirPods Pro 1 and 2 shared a similar aesthetic, insiders claim Apple has been testing a stemless design that resembles in-ear monitors used by professional musicians. This would be a radical departure from the iconic AirPods look, potentially improving both comfort and stability. Apple is reportedly experimenting with new ear tip materials that could adapt dynamically to the shape of your ear canal. This might involve a memory foam hybrid that ensures both a secure fit and better passive noise isolation. Such changes would not only enhance comfort for long listening sessions but also improve overall sound quality by creating a tighter seal. Another intriguing part of this leak involves color options. Traditionally, AirPods have only been available in white, but 2025 could be the year Apple introduces multiple finishes, possibly matching the titanium color palette of the iPhone 16 Pro series. This would mark the first time users could buy AirPods Pro in black, silver, or even gold, catering to the growing demand for personalization. Noise cancellation has been a defining feature of the AirPods Pro lineup, and Apple is reportedly taking it to the next level with adaptive ANC 2.0. The AirPods Pro 2 already feature impressive noise reduction, but the new system could automatically adjust based on your surroundings in real time. For example, walking in a city might trigger stronger noise cancellation to block traffic sounds, while sitting in a quiet library might switch you into transparency mode without manual input. This would be powered by an upgraded H3 audio chip with more advanced algorithms and machine learning capabilities. Furthermore, some reports hint at bone conduction-assisted transparency mode, which could allow voices to be picked up more clearly during conversations, even in noisy environments. If true, this would be a major leap forward, allowing the AirPods Pro 3 to feel almost invisible when worn, blending your real-world and audio experiences more naturally than ever. One of the most unexpected leaks is that the AirPods Pro 3 could act as health tracking devices. Apple has reportedly been testing in-ear temperature sensors, heart rate monitoring, and even stress level detection through skin conductivity measurements inside the ear canal. These features would work in tandem with the Apple Watch, giving users a more complete picture of their health. Imagine going for a run while your AirPods track your core temperature, your Apple Watch monitors your heart rate variability, and your iPhone aggregates all